How cool is that, huh?
Very cool.
It's time for waking up now, it's time to take my racks. I'm leaving my own town now, I'm leaving with my bags. I close the doors behind me, into the hills I go. If you could only see me, cause I want you to know. It's a long way out of my own town into your own town. It's a long way out of my own town into your own town. I'm playing with the fairies, I'm drinking from their wine. I'm singing to the music, but I know it's in my mind. Don't care about the maker, don't care about the world. I'm looking for the answers while I'm walking in the dirt. I'm walking over mountains, I sail across the sea. I meet all kind of creatures and I feel you here with me. I'm talking to the people, I ask them for the way, but they only stare at me, believe no word I say. It's a long way out of my own town into your own town. It's a long way out of my own town into your own town. And it's a long way out of my own town into your own town. It's a long way, a long, lonely way, lonely way. I know I walk in circles, they say that I'm insane. But since the day you died, something changed in my brain. Well, it was just too much for me, I found no help in talking. Who can show me where to go? I have to keep on